students. So as in the last lectures we have discussed about composition of air. We have seen how air is a mixture of different gases. So which are those different gases? Yes, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen and some other substances, right? Or some other dust particles or other different gases. We have seen what are the sources of components of air. Like we have discussed how we get oxygen when you breathe in and you breathe out, right? So we have seen that process. When trees make food, which gas they give out? They give out oxygen. And what they required? Carbon dioxide. Same thing, when you breathe in you take oxygen, and when you breathe out you give out carbon dioxide. So in this way carbon dioxide and oxygen gas is maintained in the environment or in the air. So right, humans give out carbon dioxide and trees give out oxygen gas. So in this way these components of air are present in the air. Next, we have also discussed about air pollution, how because of different activities of human air pollution has been increasing. So today in detail we are going to discuss the points, what are the different effects. So how can we keep the air clean? Now we have seen that because of bursting of crackers and the vehicles, the kerosene lamp, factories outlet, because of all these things the air is getting polluted. Some pollutants or the dirty materials are added in the air which makes the air contaminated, and it is not good for us. So this is air pollution. So now to prevent this air pollution and to keep yourself safe, what different precautions you can take? The very first thing is, if you wear a mask, so you should wear a mask. Nowadays it is very, it is compulsory for us to wear mask, but even other times also we can wear this mask to protect us from untidy or contaminated air. So we should use mask will, what they will do, they will filter the air. So whichever air will come towards you, it will be the clean air, because of your mask the air will be filtered, right? The dirty air won't come directly to your body. So now how can we keep the air clean? The first is plant trees. So plant absorbs carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. They help to keep the air clean and healthy, so we feel fresh. When we are in a field, garden or forest, it is therefore important to plant trees. So we should plant trees because plants give us oxygen and it is very important for us. And to keep the air clean and healthy, oxygen is very important. That's why we should plant trees. Second thing, use smoke free lamps and stoves. So whenever you are using any kind of lamp, torch, lamp or stoves, it should not give out any smoke. It should not give out any such dirty gas which will pollute the air. So we should avoid using cooking stoves and lamps which give out smoke. So it should not give the smoke out. Third one is stop burning garbage. This is very important, students. We have to stop burning garbage, because whenever you will burn garbage, the dirty smoke will come out which is very harmful for living things, animals and everyone around. So we should not burn garbage in our neighborhood. Plastics in the garbage give out harmful gases on burning. Next is use well maintained vehicles. So whichever vehicles you are using, they should be well maintained properly. उनको मेंटेन करना ज़रूरी है, ऑयलिंग करना ज़रूरी है, so that it should not give out harmful gases. You must have seen some vehicles, they give out smoke and gases, so that is not good for us. So vehicles that are not maintained are old, which give out harmful gases. So what we should do? We should use well maintained vehicles. Here one amazing fact is given to you. As we go higher, the level of oxygen in the air decreases. So the people who climb mountains carry oxygen cylinders with them, राइट. सो जैसे जैसे आप पहाड़ चढ़ रहे हो या माउंटेन क्लाइंब कर रहे हो, वहाँ का ऑक्सीजन लेवल जो होता है वो कम कम होते जाता है. दैट्स वाई पीपल शुड यूज ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर ओवर देयर. ओके. देन लास्ट, द हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल्स. So students, in higher order thinking skills, we will see people burst firecrackers on festivals and special occasions. Do you think firecrackers are good for the environment? You must have heard this so many times. Everyone keep on telling you that you should not burn firecrackers. हमें फायर क्रैकर्स बर्न करने नहीं है। क्रैकर्स जो आप दिवाली के टाइम या कोई भी फेस्टिवल्स के टाइम जो बर्स्ट करते हो, उससे एयर पोल्यूशन होता है एंड दैट इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर यू, राइट। इट कॉजेज अ लॉट ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन, दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. Then second is it causes noise pollution also. There are people around who has problem with noise, or there are few patients around yourself. When you burst such cracker, और इवन द एनिमल्स ऑल्सो, इन सबको ये आवाज़ से बहुत तकलीफ होती है. सो इट कॉजेज नॉइज पॉल्यूशन ऑल्सो. सेकेंड, थर्डली व्हाट हैपन्स, ये जो फायर क्रैकर जहाँ पे बनाए जाते हैं वो प्लेसेस में बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सीडेंट्स होते रहते हैं कि गलती से अगर कोई भी एक पटाखा फूट जाए, एक क्रैकर बर्स्ट हो जाए, तो पूरे उस एरिया में आग लग जाती है और इसमें बहुत सारे लोग अपने जान गंवा देते हैं या कुछ ना कुछ अलग इश्यूज होते रहते हैं. इवन जो फायर क्रैकर्स के जो स्टॉल्स होते हैं जो आप दिवाली के टाइम देखते होगे, तो वहाँ पे भी कभी कभी ऐसे किस इंसिडेंट्स हो सकते हैं विच इज़ गोइंग टू कॉज हार्म टू एवरीवन. So firecrackers are made up of chemicals which catch fire easily. They make a lot of noise. They also add harmful smoke to the air, causing air pollution. People who make firecrackers in factories suffer skin and lung problems. जो भी फैक्ट्री में फायर क्रैकर बनाने के फैक्ट्री में जो लोग काम करते हैं उनको स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं एंड लंग प्रॉब्लम्स भी होते हैं. सो इट इज़ डेंजरस टू वर्क इन प्लेसेस वेर दे आर मेड और स्टोर्ड. Still, at some places, even small children are forced to work in firecracker factories. So, we should therefore stop bursting firecrackers. So, even small children are involved in making this firecracker, which is harmful for them. So, now your homework is that as we have completed this lesson over here, you are going to read whole lesson. Starting से end तक आपको ये पूरा lesson अच्छे से read करना है और जितने भी hard words आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं सबको आपको underline करना है. Okay? Thank you.